How to create Instagram page. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can basically create an Instagram page. So it's very easy, honestly. All that you guys need to do is simply click on the top on account, click on add account, and then after that click on create new account, and then it's going to ask you for a username. You guys can type in any username that you want, and then after that click on continue, click on don't add, and then type in a password, and then after that click on next once again. And now you guys can basically add in a number, and then from over here you guys are basically going to be sent a confirmation message. Simply paste that in over here, and then after that click on next, and then now your page is going to be basically created. So over here, let me just fix the code really quick. And then as soon as I have fixed the code, now my page has been created. Now I have to basically answer a few questions related to my page. For example, questions like what's going to be my category, what's going to be my profession, what is my profession, and all of that good stuff. So over here, let me just click on next once again, and this is the page that I have just created. Now if I were to click on the bottom right, and then after that click on the top right on these three lines, click on settings. Now from over here I can click on account, then from the bottom I can switch to a professional account, and then my page is going to be basically a professional business. So guys, this is how you guys can basically create pages on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Till next time, goodbye.